Hello, I'm Mark Whitlam with JC Whitlam Manufacturing Company. I'm here to talk to you about our Talon Drain Opener. It's a sodium hydroxide based drain opener that is very effective for getting after hair, grease, soap, or any organic material in a drain. It's safe for plastics as well as any metals, be it any chrome fixtures, any brass parts, anything like that. It's non-effective. The only metal that will react to is aluminum. So if a carburetor or garbage disposal has aluminum in it, that we don't recommend being used in that type of application. But if it's all stainless and it's all metal other than aluminum, it's safe to be used in conjunction with it. I just wanted to show you the effectiveness of the drain opener. Like I mentioned, this is a sodium hydroxide base. Sodium hydroxide goes after organic material. We're organic, so you really do have to be careful in regards to wearing gloves, safety goggles, and just precaution in regards to that. Fuming wise, you really don't get the fumes you do with like a hydrochloric acid or a sulfuric acid. So, but you will get a gassing off of hydrogen gas. So if I look over top of the opening of the drain as it's reacting, you're gonna feel that really hit you because the hydrogen wants to react with the oxygen. It just makes a mess. All right. When working with the sodium hydroxide or any type of chemicals, be sure to open the container while it's sitting on the table. Do not open it while you're up in the air because you have a tendency to slip out of your hand. Much safer to apply that way. Again, your lid is on the table, the product stays in the container. What I wanted to show you how effective it is with hair. This is actually not my hair, but somebody else's hair. In regards to that, as well as some grease or some Crisco, and just give you a demonstration how quickly and effective this material is. On application on a drain, roughly about a half a cup per drain. A little bit is better than a whole lot. Okay. The product is actually a flake material. It'll absorb water relatively quickly. It also creates an exothermic reaction, and that means it creates heat as it dissolves and starts to react with the hair and the grease and the water. The application amount should be about a half a cup per drain. Again, little bit's better than a whole lot. Creating an exothermic reaction, if it gets down into the trap itself, it can actually blow back if it's clogged too much. So you want to be careful in that aspect as well. So just again, showing the reactionary effect of the chemical and how well it dissolves grease in the air. But it's eating it up. The hair is starting to dissolve pretty readily right now, as well as the grease. The hair is pretty well dissolved at this point. It's probably the most effective type of drain opener for cleaning out hair. Sodium hydroxides or hydrochloric acids and really the sulfuric acids aren't real effective at breaking down hair material for whatever reason that is. But the sodium hydroxide works on the other end of the pH scale. Rather than being an acid, it's a base, so it goes after all organic materials. Safe for use in septic systems, actually helps create bacterial growth by raising the pH of the system. So if you're dumping in a sink that goes into a septic field, it'll actually enhance the bacterial growth, not break it down. Talon Drain Opener is available in 2-pound containers. This is a 2-pounder here, and then as well as a 1-pound container. So the 1-pound container, again, it's great for just a shop truck that go out and service a single use, great for all the tubs and showers and drains themselves. Along with the use in drains and shower tubs and sinks, you can use it in use on condensate lines where you do get a lot of sludge buildup, where you tend to get that back up from the condensate, and over time you get that sludge. That is pretty much all organic material that's found in that drain line. The best method to apply this is to dissolve it in water first. Again, make sure you have your safety gloves because it's going to be pretty aggressive in regards to your skin. So you just pour it down into that drain line and it'll blow it out. It does a great job with the again, in regards to safety, if you have any questions, please contact our office or any of our manufacturer's representatives to assist in regards to safety data information. But again, like I said, it's a goes after organic material, and we want you to be safe with our product.